Hello and welcome to this Wednesday edition of 304 Today. I'm your host, Lauren Winans. On earlier episodes, we've shown you the chiropractic, brain stimulation, energy treatments, all things offered by Enliven Wellness. Today, we check out the difference that their physical therapy service offers to their patients. So Enliven also offers physical therapy, and we're here with Dr. Shane Piatt. And we have a person getting physical therapy. So I think we're going to show a little bit of what you're doing.
Okay.
And how long have you been a physical therapist?
I graduated physical therapy school in 2016 from West Virginia University. So went there for my undergrad and then got my doctorate in physical therapy and have worked in the area since I graduated and then been here with Enliven for about 2 years.
So what brought you to Enliven?
I was familiar and good friends with a couple of the guys that are chiropractors here, and the owner, Dr. Leonetti, had kind of talked to me a little bit about coming on board with them and have an opportunity to offer a lot of different treatment options for patients here.
So do you take a holistic approach to physical therapy? Would you say that, or just?
I wouldn't necessarily use the word holistic, but physical therapy in general is more about more conservative treatment approach and not trying to get away from prescriptions, opioids, and trying to avoid surgery and that kind of stuff.
So what are we helping you with today?
I have a shoulder problem that Shane's been helping me with for quite some time and been quite successful. So we're just sort of finishing up, I think, getting to the end of my treatment sessions here.
Well, let's see him work some magic then.
All right, go ahead and back down onto your back here, Nancy.
And if you want, you can just kind of explain what you're doing to her.
Absolutely. So I'm going to slide your pillow out here, Nancy. So Nancy deals with some rotator cuff tendinosis or tendinitis into the shoulder, and then as a result we have some neck issues as well. So a big part of physical therapy is you can never just look at the one place where the pain is. We have to focus on treating the body as a whole, not just where the pain is. So if we neglect to look at the neck, then a lot of times we'll never be able to get that shoulder pain to relieve. So always going to start with just some soft tissue work to help loosen things up into the neck. And we have a lot of tension down into this upper trap muscle as well. So we always try to work out using just some light soft tissue work to get that muscle to relax a little bit. And then we'll even take it into a little bit of stretch while we try to massage the muscle out. All right, just let your arm relax there, Nancy. So we're just taking a look at her range of motion of her shoulder. So we've got good movement there. And then as we come into what's called internal rotations, a movement we've had some tightness with, which is common with people who have some issues with the rotator cuff. Just a movement we try to work into passively to help loosen that up a little bit. So we like to try to focus on more like a hands-on approach. So we spend a lot of time, usually the first 15 minutes of the session, doing some of the hand-on treatment options to help loosen everything up, and then following that with some corrective exercises to help improve the function of the shoulder. And then another component of shoulder pain is the shoulder blade mobility. If we don't have the shoulder blade moving how it needs to move, that's going to make it really difficult to reach your arm up overhead. So we really work on trying to get the rotation of the shoulder blade increased to get that arm overhead without straining the rotator cuff as much. All right, so we're just going to rotate your arm up like that. Good, so this is a go-to movement to increase strength of the rotator cuff. So really lightweight is all what we need for this one, 1 to 2 pounds to start. And it's just a good way you can kind of initiate some strengthening into the rotator cuff muscles. So as we started with Nancy with this one, it was really hard. We didn't use any weight at all. And then as she's done better and as her symptoms have eased, we've been able to progress from no weight to 2 pounds, which in turn has led to some of the decrease in difficulty with getting her arm up overhead to do her hair and that kind of thing.
So Nancy, what made you choose Enliven and Dr. Shane over somewhere else to do physical therapy?
I had started out with Enliven Chiropractic several years ago and was very pleased with my results. And then I had been seeing Shane in a different facility. So when he came here, it was perfect because the two work together so well. And, you know, if I have a problem that the other one needs to see, they send me one back and forth. And it's just been very advantageous to have them both in the same location.
So chiropractic is something you also do for your pain?
Absolutely, yes.
Because your hair looks good, so obviously he's got you to the point where you can fix your hair again.
Yes, I can. I can.
And
get my arm way
look
up
at
now.
that. That's awesome. And before you couldn't.
No, correct.
So that you can credit to chiropractic and good physical therapy.
Yes, mostly physical therapy for the shoulder pain. In fact, I went first to chiropractic, and he said, "No, I think you need to see physical therapy." So this has been the main thing with the shoulder, but definitely chiropractic care too.
We've shown you many of the services that Enliven Wellness offers, but there's still a lot more to come. We'll take you back to Enliven again next Wednesday.